Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that has caught our attention in the world of 3D printing, the FLASHFORGE High Speed PLA Plus filament in a sleek light brown shade. We've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. The FLASHFORGE PLA Plus filament is specifically designed for high-speed 3D printing. This filament boasts an enhanced melt flow that allows for faster and smoother prints, making it a fantastic option for both hobbyists and professionals alike. With a focus on efficiency, this filament is engineered to work seamlessly with high-speed 3D printers, allowing you to achieve excellent layer adhesion, minimal warping, and strong mechanical properties. One of the standout features of this filament is its efficient and reliable printing capabilities. The optimized formula ensures that you can print at rapid speeds of up to 500 mm per second without compromising on quality. Whether you're creating prototypes, intricate models, or functional components, the FLASHFORGE PLA Plus is up to the task, delivering consistent results time and time again. But it doesn't stop there. This filament is designed to be tangle-free and user-friendly. It comes with automatic winding and manual detection features to keep the filament tidy and minimize the risk of tangles that could lead to snags or breaks during printing. Plus, with a diameter of 1.75 mm, it's compatible with 99% of FDM 3D printers on the market, making it an accessible choice for a wide range of users. Another significant advantage of FLASHFORGE PLA Plus is its clog-free and bubble-free manufacturing process. Each spool is thoroughly dry for 24 hours before packaging and vacuum sealed with desiccant to ensure that moisture doesn't interfere with your prints. This meticulous attention to detail guarantees a seamless and steady printing experience, free from common issues like jamming or layer delamination. So, who is this filament suitable for? If you're a 3D printing enthusiast looking to create highly detailed prints with a rich and solid color, this filament is perfect for you. It's also ideal for makers who need reliable results in a short amount of time, whether for personal projects, educational purposes, or even small business prototypes. Practical use cases for the FLASHFORGE PLA Plus filament are vast. You might use it to create custom figurines, intricate architectural models, or even functional parts for prototypes that require precision. No matter what you're working on, this filament is designed to elevate your 3D printing game. And let's not forget about the after-sales support. FLASHFORGE provides a 2-month warranty on their filaments, along with a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not completely satisfied. Plus, their customer service is available 24/7, ready to assist you with any product-related questions. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.